Are you tired of getting ghosted? Hey, let me call you right back. I'm just about to walk in. I got a new potential buyer. Ooh. Oh man, it happened again. Gosh, I'm so pumped up. Showing my first property, and I'm actually meeting the clients at the house. Oh man, another no-show. Hey guys, are you tired of getting ghosted? Trust me, we've been there and we understand it. I want to give you a few tips to help try to avoid these situations. Number one, you've got to qualify your tenants. Figure out what motivates them, where they're at, when their lease is up, when they're trying to move in. Who else are they talking to, and what has their process been so far? When you qualify them and you don't just jump to the opportunity, you're going to figure out if these people are serious or not. Number two, you've got to put the ball in their court sometimes. Have them call you the day of, and I'm talking specifically about leasing because these guys are notorious for not showing up. So say, hey, the day of, when you're on the way, give me a call and I'll meet you there. And if it's a buyer client, make sure you follow up the day before and the day of, because everybody hates getting ghosted. All in all, and most importantly, it's part of the game. The ghosts are gonna be there. You're gonna have people that don't show up to meetings, that don't call you back, that simply do not respond after something you've discussed was gonna be in motion. Don't let that get you down. Keep those lines in the water, stay consistent, and keep a positive attitude with everything that you do. Peace.